Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം വീഡിയോസ് എങ്ങനെ തേർഡ് പാർട്ടി ആപ്പ് ഒന്നുമില്ലാതെ ഗുഡ് ക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഡിയോ സഹിതം ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാമെന്നുള്ളതാണ് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So in this video we will learn a trick to download Instagram videos or reels with good quality sound. We can do it without any third party app. So let's see how it works. Okay, for that first of all you select the reel or the video which you want to download, and you can see a share symbol or send symbol here. Click there and you will be taken to this kind of interface, and here you can click on add video to your story, and it will take 2-3 seconds and will take to another page. So it will be like this. Now you can zoom in so that it will you can crop out. Actually you can crop the border and all as you wish, and now you can see upside the downloading symbol. You can click there and the video will be downloading and will be saved to your file. So already it has completed, and let's see in my file whether the video is there or not, and I will play here and you can hear with the audio. Yeah, it works. So usually I have seen so many friends making screen recorder of videos and uploading in WhatsApp status or sending to friends. So it will be another trick for you to use. So let's see in another video with another topic. Till then, bye bye.